Part of the mission of Lackawanna College is to lead the way for our students to enrich the communities in which we live in, so that it becomes part of their habit as a student and then continues to be a habit when they leave us. And our culinary students are using this opportunity as a graded project to look into this segment, this demographic of our community, and to come up with some creative ways to use common pantry, inexpensive food staples that families, and particularly children, can enjoy, that are delicious, that are fun, and very affordable. Anytime you're putting together a meal, you want to think about the components, the main components that make up a nutrition-rich meal. So you're thinking about things like whole grains, good carbs like fruits and vegetables, and some good healthy fats too. We are so excited that our students can partner with Geisinger on this project to look at these ingredients that might be easy and cheap to stock a pantry, and to be able to help people to create nutrient-rich dishes, and at the end of the day, that they can learn to have hearts for service of our community.